The man who says he can and the man who says he can't are both correct. What do Batman and Morocco in the World Cup both have in common? Well, let's take the example of Batman first. In the movie The Dark Knight Rises, the third one in the trilogy, when Batman was in the pit watching his city Gotham burn to hell, Batman decided to make the climb. He tried the climb for the first and second try with a rope, but he failed in both times. After the old wise doctor tells him the story of the kid, the only person to ever make the climb, Batman learned the secret. What he needed in that moment to succeed is the power of belief, a leap of faith. That's what you need exactly. Everyone thought that the Moroccan team was just lucky in winning the first games. But we discovered later that it was all because of the genius coach. Regragui has been a coach for no more than 3 months, but he succeeded in making the impossible. And it all comes down to the power of belief. None of the Arab countries has ever reached the quarterfinals, and no African team has ever reached the semifinals. But the Moroccan coach asked the serious question, why not us? What's stopping us? We are just like them. And so he went on to beat Belgium, Spain, and Portugal, who were the strongest teams in the tournament. Everything is possible to the one who believes. I experienced something similar during my years in school. Well, basically in high school, I had a hard time doing public speaking. It's only after I went to university that I had this idea, the solution to my problem. I still remember telling myself, here nobody knows me, so I can be whoever I want. I didn't change anything else. I only changed my mindset. This shift in the mindset is the solution to our negative thoughts. It is the solution to our limiting beliefs. And it doesn't apply only to climbing the pit or football or public speaking. It's also true in business. Most people believe that it's normal to be poor because they have been poor their whole lives. I think this is the main idea of the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. As long as you believe that you will fail, you will actually fail. Everything is possible, especially in football, but also with anything in life. When you set your mind at something negative, those things that serve this mindset will come into focus, while the opportunities and good things remain in the shadows. Scientifically, we can see this with the placebo effect. Just the perception of taking medicine has been shown to lead to differences in many areas, like hormone levels and blood pressure. Also, people who say that they are bad at something tend to avoid doing that thing. As a result, they will be bad at it due to the lack of practice. And I think this is what happened to me personally in the experience of public speaking. Our body, our mind, and actions unconsciously try to follow and confirm the beliefs we hold. When you predict your own failure, you are not doing yourself any favors. Stop predicting your own failure and start setting yourself for success. Don't be arrogant about it. Predict your own success, then work tirelessly to make it a reality. Click on the video on the screen to watch more of my content. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.